Man, I've been dying to fly this thing.
Oh, that's good. Yeah. I'll say and I got to get you in the sim too. I'm going back to a full-time instructor.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for
just jerk where it says jerk. If you need it, right?
I don't feel like a jerk.
Exactly. So that's what you need. So don't inflate it until you're out of the airplane, right? Two things. So the seatbelt and then how to get out. So if you want to go ahead and climb in there. So what you're gonna do is step here, step there, and probably the easiest thing to do.
You want me front or back?
Do the back first.
Back. Okay.
Yeah.
Dock area traffic. Yellow float 26 Lima Charlie is taking off runway 32. Will be a left turn out, westbound departure for Buck area. So right now, so I had to stab the right. I'm having to stab a little bit of right, brake, and now I'm okay with it turning. Pretty limp windsock.
Right.
So now I'm stabbing right to get the nose straight. Here we go. All right, 1001, 1002, 1003.
Wow.
Isn't that cool?
That's awesome.
That's like heavily, that's fully loaded, full gas, two people.
And I'd say we are both the FAA sized pilot.
That's true.
I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out.
Wait till we get to a little bit more water that I know I can land in. Because like right now, your engine quits. I'll probably end up putting it in the grass. You know what I mean? Beside the water, because there's not enough water to land on. It curves so much. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Not to hold me down, feel alive.
Bunch of gators down there. Saw one.
Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me. Stick
will be aft when I land. Gears up. Car being cold for now, and then throttle.
2 miles to the northwest portion of the sea. We're going to be joining a
We know what runway we took off from, right? Runway 32. So I know which way the winds are coming from, and I can kind of tell by the way the wind is moving on the water, right?
Yep.
You got the on the upwind side, you're seeing like some wind shadow, and on the downwind side, you're seeing the wind all the way to the shoreline. You'd want to normally, if you don't know the lake, you want to fly over the lake, make sure there's nothing that you're going to hit. I'm pretty familiar with the area, so I'm going to land straight ahead.
Roger that. Valkyria traffic, check 631. Tango setting up without 45.
So I'll show you where the flare point is.
Valkyria traffic.
We'll have the power back a little bit. When I get close to the water, I'll goose a little bit of power just to make the softer landing. Okay, they're right about there. You hold it right about there. Car peak. Making sure I do my quick check. Add power, full power. I'm holding back on the stick. I'm gonna relieve some of the pressure, and then I'm gonna just bring it up on one of the floats. See how it kind of comes off a little bit better?
Yeah.
That's like a flat water technique, but I like to use it all the time. What you would normally do is you have two rises. You have the first nose rise. After the first nose rise, you relieve the pressure, and then you get up on the plane. I'll explain it a little bit more once we do a couple more. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out.
Oh, so we're up kind of halfway to 192 here.
Oh yeah.
gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else.
This thing is like a little Mazda Miata. It's like a little sports car. It's so cool. It's it would be underpowered if it wasn't so light. But it does exactly what you want it to do, control-wise. So cool.
I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes.
He's like,
He had no idea.
yeah, what was that sound?
He looked totally the wrong direction. That was funny.
You can see here where the water's coming from, or I mean where the calmness is. It looks like it's probably a little bit more toward from the west. And you see the ripples on the water.
Yeah.
Where the wind's coming from. So same thing. I'm on a left base for the runway. Runways are pretty much anywhere you want them to be. And you do from downwind to base to final, you actually do a consistent turn all the way around. You don't like square it off.
Oh, cool. That's actually how I like flying.
Cool. So I do a little bit smoother that time.
It freaks most people out, though, you know?
Yeah, exactly. Like, I'm not supposed to do that.
Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car.
You have a good time?
So far,
Awesome.
finally
Cool.
got to land on the water.
Yeah, hanging out on the water. Really cool, really cool. Just chilling out. We're actually gonna swap positions. He's gonna go up in the front seat, I'll go in the back. Beautiful day. There you go.
Cool. You can ask for